Something extraordinary has happened in one of the driest places on Earth, the Sahara Desert. After a massive cyclone dumped a year's worth of rain in just a few days, lakes have suddenly appeared in areas that are usually bone dry. On September 7th and 8th, 2023, an extratropical cyclone swept across parts of Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, and Libya. This storm brought with it over 8 inches or 20 centimeters of rain, equivalent to an entire year's worth of rainfall in just a couple of days. Such intense rainfall in such a short period is extremely rare in the Sahara Desert, which is known for its dry, arid conditions. But this cyclone, fueled by the complex interaction of atmospheric pressure systems and warmer air from the Mediterranean, turned parts of the desert into temporary lakes. These lakes, captured by satellite images, appeared almost overnight in northern Africa. Areas that would typically be vast, sandy expanses were transformed into shimmering water bodies, a rare and remarkable sight. But why did this happen? The key factor lies in climate change. Warmer ocean temperatures are making storms stronger and more unpredictable. As the atmosphere heats up, it holds more moisture, increasing the potential for extreme rainfall events, even in regions like the Sahara that usually see very little rain. While these lakes may seem like a miracle in the desert, their appearance didn't last long. The desert heat quickly caused the water to evaporate, and most of the lakes disappeared within days or weeks. However, the sudden influx of water did have some immediate effects. The rain briefly revived some desert plants and provided a temporary water source for local wildlife. But the intense rainfall also caused flash flooding in some areas, damaging roads and infrastructure. After the lakes disappeared, the desert returned to its typical arid state. But this event raises important questions about the future. As climate change continues to alter weather patterns, extreme events like this cyclone could become more frequent. Northern Africa and other desert regions might see more intense storms, which could bring both opportunities and risks, like flash floods and temporary water sources. This sudden appearance of lakes in the Sahara Desert is a reminder of how interconnected and unpredictable our climate has become. While these lakes were short-lived, they highlight the growing impact of climate change on even the most unlikely regions. Stay informed and subscribe to our channel.